Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm making bacon guacamole grilled cheese sandwiches. First start off by cooking your bacon. You're going to need 2 slices of bacon for each sandwich. I have 4 slices because I'm making sandwiches for my husband and I. You can use any bacon of your choice. I'm using turkey bacon. Once the bacon is nice and crispy, transfer to a paper towel and put aside. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then heat a pan or a cast iron square grill pan like I'm using on medium heat and butter one side of the slices of bread and place in your pan. Then sprinkle some shredded cheese of your choice. I'm using medium cheddar. You can also use sliced cheese. I just love the way the shredded cheese melts. Then you're gonna add some guacamole. I have a video on this homemade guacamole where I share tips and tricks on how to make the best guacamole. I'll have the link to the video in the description below. Once you're done spreading the guacamole, it's time to add the 2 slices of bacon. And then sprinkle some more shredded cheese. And finally top it off with the remaining slice of bread with the buttered side up. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before flipping. Once you flip the sandwich, let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown and the cheese is fully melted. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll have the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor, and I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll also have the full recipe on these homemade tortilla chips and this homemade guacamole. They're so easy to make and so good. I'll see you guys for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you would like to see how to make the homemade guacamole, I'll have it right here, and I'll have another recipe right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!